Good Friday, everyone. I hope you've had a wonderful week and that you have a nice weekend planned ahead or just a weekend planned to not do anything. Sometimes that's good too, right? Look at our Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union headlines: hot, humid, risk for a storm kind of weather continues. Weekend looking mostly dry, but there is a risk for a storm. And of course, we're watching the tropics very closely. I do want to add Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union has signed on to continue sponsoring the website and app, so you'll look for them on these slides in the many months to come. Premier Generators, another great sponsor, bringing us our level of concern, and we're level 1. We've been parked at this level for a while now. Risk for a mostly non-severe thunderstorms, and we all know that storms this time of the year can have a little bit of kick to them. Widespread severe weather not expected though, but always be mindful of that cloud to ground lightning, especially with these summer storms, and the risk for gusty winds and torrential rainfall in that localized area where the storm occurs. Speaking of which, by the time yesterday was all said and done, I had just short of 2.5 inches of rain here at the house here in Rennie. My goodness, you talk about being bullseyed. I know how some of the rest of you all have been feeling this summer, because we've been getting missed by quite a bit. I've gotten more on this end of Rennie than they have on the other end of Rennie. But yesterday, I was the big winner. I mean, it really did bullseye right here in this area. And but we could have used it. You can't even tell. The ground just really soaked it all up. But if you've not gotten rain in a while, some of you all are telling me your grass is crunchy. Maybe you'll get that storm today or tomorrow or sometime, because we always have a chance. And I'll talk more about that in just a moment. Today's statistics. So our record high for the day is 95. We won't be anywhere near that. Record low 47. We won't be anywhere near that either. And then you see there where we are at the moon phase of 99% illumination. So August the 9th is the official full moon. And then we have a meteor shower, the Perseid meteor shower, coming up August the 11th through the 13th. Clear your closet and blind, bringing us our 5-day forecast. And I'm saying 50-50 shot of storms again today. I know yesterday I had higher rain chances than I think just about anybody else. And my goodness, that verified. I probably should have gone 70%. But we'll do a 50-50 shot today, 20% on Saturday, 30% on Sunday, and then we drop back up to 50-50 shots on Monday and Tuesday. High staying in the mid-80s each day. Might be a degree or two above that on those days, but hot and humid weather certainly continuing. Bramble Travel bringing us our On This Day in History, August the 8th, 1930. The heat wave continues. We talked about this a little bit yesterday. Clarksville hitting a record high of 109. Allert 102. Cookeville 105. The Crossville UT Experiment Station 99. So my goodness, a hot day. 2001, a freak ball of lightning peels the bark off a tree and flashes through the crawl space of a nearby house under construction in Fairview over near Nashville. 2 workers are injured. What a weird situation. Woo. You folks have a wonderful Friday and keep looking up. And for even more weather information, including a look at the tropics, which are remaining active, but there are no threats to the U.S. mainland for at least the next 7 days, I have more information on that and more on the website and at meteorologistmark.com. You folks have a wonderful day.